Welcome to Compass and Pencil. Today we discuss exercise 1.5. Let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A complement. Universal set and its subsets are given. Find the elements which are outside A and present in U. We get set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we can find B complement. B complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is the set of even numbers and B complement is the set of odd numbers. Next, A union C the whole complement. First find A union C. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then find A union C the whole complement. We can get the element which are outside A union C. We get 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we can find A union B the whole complement. We get 5, 7, 9. By the law of double complementation, A complement the whole complement is equal to A. So we get same set 1, 2, 3, 4. Next B minus C the whole complement. First find B minus C. We get set 2, 8 and then find B minus C the whole complement. We get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Second question, if U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement of the following sets. First set A, B, C. A complement, we get D, E, F, G, H. Set B is equal to D, E, F, G. Then B complement is equal to A, B, C, H. Next C is equal to set A, C, E, G and C complement is equal to B, D, F, H. Set D is equal to F, G, H, A. D complement is equal to B, C, D and E. Next question. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following sets. First question, x such that x is an even natural number. U is the set of natural numbers. Complement of even natural numbers, we get a set of odd natural numbers. And the complement of odd natural numbers, we get a set of even natural numbers. Next, s is a positive multiple of 3. The complement of the set is not multiple of 3. Next, s is a prime number. And complement is not prime number or composite number. Next, s is natural number divisible by 3 and 5. We take its complement. Next, x is a perfect square. Its complement is x is not a perfect square. Then next, x is a perfect cube. Then x in n and x is not a perfect cube. Next, x plus 5 is equal to 8. Solving this equation, we get x is equal to 3. And its complement, the set complement is x is a natural number and x not equal to 3. The collection of x not equal to 3. Next, another equation, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. We get x is equal to 2. The set complement is the set of x values which is not is equal to 2. Next, x greater than or equal to 7 and its complement is x less than 7, or we can write set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, x is a natural number, 2x plus 1 greater than 10. Solving 2x plus 1 greater than 10, we get x greater than 4.5. We get x is a natural number and x less than or equal to 4.5. And we get set 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth question, if U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, verify that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. We know it is De Morgan's law. First find A union B. the whole complement, we get A union B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and its complement is set 1, 9 and A complement we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B complement we get 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then its intersection we get set 1, 9. Here we get A union B, the whole complement is equal to 1, 9 and A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1, 9. Therefore, it is equal. Next, A intersection B, the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Here we get A intersection B is equal to set 2 and its complement we get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A complement we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 union B complement we get 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So, A intersection B, the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement, the same set. Next, draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. First figure A union B, the whole complement, and the second figure we get A complement intersection B complement, and third A intersection B, the whole complement, and the fourth A complement union B complement. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A complement? A complement is the set of triangles with every angles of the triangle is equal to 60 degree. That is equilateral triangle. Fill the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. A union A complement. We can draw A and A complement and its union the whole region. That is universal set. We know null complement is a universal set. Universal complement set is null set. Here null complement intersection A is equal to universal set intersection A, that is A. There is no elements common to A and A complement, so A intersection A complement is equal to null set. Next, universal set the whole complement intersection A, which is equal to null set intersection A, that is equal to, there is no common element for null set and A, so it is a null set.